So we made this steel stand for using the bandsaw. I have struggled for over a year. I put some photos up, but I've used a bit of box section, some bits of flat, small bits of tube, a little bit of solid, just to make a spinny roundy, roly-poly stand. Sorted. It should make things a lot easier. So as you can see, it levels things out nicely. It saves me having to struggle to hold these long bits of stock while I start to cut them, and because the top bit pivots and swivels, it's got a roller, you can put it where you want, and it'll sit about where it needs to go. It's really easy to position. Plus we're on little feet. You'll see better in the pictures, but we're on little feet, so it's got more of a chance of sitting level. And all in all, I'm quite happy with that.